you ever wondered what that yogurt dip was called when you go to an Indian restaurant, it's called Raita, and I'm going to show you how to make it. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Raita is a fantastic cooling side dish to serve with spicy curries or as a dip for poppadoms, and it's surprisingly easy to make. Slice half a medium cucumber in half lengthways and scoop out the seeds with a teaspoon. Then grate the cucumber with a grater. Now we want to squeeze most of the moisture out of that cucumber. You can use a cheesecloth or a muslin, or simply ball it up into clean hands and give it a really good squeeze. Place the squeezed out cucumber in a bowl. Now add in 240 ml or a cup of thick natural yogurt, a tablespoon of finely chopped mint leaves, half a teaspoon of ground cumin and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Give everything a good mix together and you're done. This raita is a great Indian side dish to go with your curry. You can serve it right away or cover and refrigerate for later. Just make sure to give it a good stir before serving. Really hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell to be notified of new recipes. See you next time.